Even if you're not interested in this, go ahead and share this video. Give us a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave a comment. Here's your opportunity to go ahead and obtain all of the reloading supplies that you need, but brand new reloading presses, all of the education and information you need, reloading manuals, hard to find information, it's all yours. It's worth a lot of money, but I'll let it go pretty reasonable. Cash or trade? What do you want to do? Give me a telephone call or go ahead and email me at this address. The decision's yours. Time is running out. Let's make a deal. Here's what I have. And thank you for watching.